One interesting tool is available in Google Sheets, that is a voice note. In the sense, for example, that is a speaker note to voice speaker note. For example, this particular slide, in this particular slide, you have some explanation about this particular table. You have some explanation, and if you like to make a note of that, that is the only speaker can see and he can read that one while presenting in front of clients. Okay, if you are lazy to write down, or if you don't want to type, okay, you can directly you can use a voice note option in tools voice type speaker note. Okay, typing a speaker note by using a voice, select that one, then click on this particular mic symbol, click on that, and you have to allow microphone to use your note. Okay, we have to select allow, then you can start speaking. Once you start speaking, you can observe here on the bottom. Okay, it will start typing whatever you have it spoken, and this will be detail about the particular slide which speaker will use when he is presenting in front of his clients or teammates. Okay, this is about a voice note. To come out from this voice note, we have to hit escape key in your keyboard. Escape escape we have to enter, then it will be come out. Then we have to not escape key, esc escape key on top of your keyboard, it will be there. You have to hit that one, then you have to close. Okay, this is about how we can use a voice note. For example, if you go to the presentation in view mode, you can go to present. Okay, if you are not able to see the this present in your quick access toolbar here, you can go here, view present. Okay, it will take a presentation. Okay, only the when you have activated a voice note, okay, speaker note is activated, only the speaker can able to see that one in his laptop. Okay, this is about a speaker note. How can we write a speaker note by using a voice tool.